Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Northrop Grumman expands counter-drone push with dual-feed Bushmaster cannon and new proximity fused ammunition. Northrop Grumman is advancing its M230LF dual-feed Bushmaster chain gun and specialized ammunition as demand for counter-drone weapons grows. The system is designed to let operators move instantly between ammunition for unmanned aircraft and ground targets. The company developed the dual-feed configuration in response to the expanding use of unmanned aircraft on modern battlefields. Northrop Grumman said drones are increasingly being used for intelligence collection, penetrating traditional defenses and conducting precision attacks. The M230LF dual-feed builds on the company's existing Bushmaster family of chain guns. Its main operational feature is the ability to switch between two ammunition types without reloading or changing weapons. "We built this technology because the need is real and it's ready now to help protect those on the front lines," said Rylan Harris, Director of Business Development for Northrop Grumman Armament Systems. "In the end, defeating drones comes down to reliable capability, and the Bushmaster dual feed with our proximity ammunition will win the fight. Operators currently require different ammunition to engage ground threats and unmanned aircraft. The dual feed system allows them to select the appropriate round at the push of a button. That configuration is intended to reduce response time when threats change during combat. It also allows the same cannon to engage drones overhead and hostile vehicles on the ground. Seeing the emerging needs of the warfighter as CUAS counter-unmanned aircraft system threats evolve, our team moved with urgency," Harris said. "We saw where the battlefield was going and built a solution to meet it." The cannon uses two types of advanced Northrop Grumman ammunition for different target sets. These include the XM1198 high-explosive round and XM1211 proximity-fused ammunition. The XM1198 is designed to defeat armored targets. The XM1211 is intended specifically for counter-unmanned aircraft system engagements. Developed and produced with the U.S. Army, the XM1211 is a 30 by 113 mm round equipped with a proximity sensor. The round detonates when it detects a target at close range and disperses fragmentation against it. That approach is intended to improve effectiveness against drones that are small, fast and difficult to strike directly. Northrop Grumman said the ammunition has demonstrated effectiveness against unmanned aircraft in real-world applications. "Our advanced ammunition is demonstrating real-world effectiveness against drones, and we're continuing to ramp production on these critically needed rounds to meet escalating global CUAS counter-unmanned aircraft system threats," Harris said. Northrop Grumman is also investing in production capacity for both cannons and ammunition. Those investments cover equipment, facilities, and manufacturing tools. The company said the expansion is intended to increase output and reduce lead times as global demand for counter-UAS counter-unmanned aircraft systems rises. The combination of the dual-feed Bushmaster and proximity-fused ammunition gives operators one-weapon architecture for different battlefield threats. Northrop Grumman is positioning the system as a scalable response to growing demand for gun-based counter-drone capabilities. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.